Hello, Michael Tellinger here, and I just want to add a little bit of important information for those who are interested in our Women's Wellness Retreat, and that's all about the healing in the stone circles. I'd also like to add to that our fertility circle, the really important stone circle that is shown to be really effective in improving human fertility. We've had at least 3 reported incidents where couples were really struggling to fall pregnant, and after one exposure to the fertility circle, they fell pregnant. And this is after years of paying exorbitant amounts to fertility clinics and so forth. One visit and spending some time in the stone circle, which is the fertility circle, they fell pregnant. So I need to explain to you how this works, because some people still think this is some mumbo jumbo, hocus pocus, ancient, ridiculous old wives' tales and so forth. Well, nothing can be further from the truth, because we really delving into some of the most basic fundamental knowledge of the generation of energy, of healing, of frequency healing, vibrational energy, vibrational healing. And this is all to do with the stone circles, the walls, the energy and the frequencies that they generate, which also includes obviously the fertility circle, which generates specific frequencies that are good for human reproductive systems. So let me just remind you of this. By now, if you haven't seen this, please watch the videos that I've put out there that deal with toroidal fields, toroidal energy, and how everything in our reality manifests in toroidal fields. But the key thing here is that the stone circles pick up the frequencies from Mother Earth, and they amplify those frequencies into the walls, because the walls are made of very highly acoustically conductive stones, highly dense quartzitic stone, whether it's hornfels or granite or dolerite. The sound frequencies that come out of the ground reverberate through the walls, and therefore the moving sound then creates magnetic fields, and those moving magnetic fields create electromagnetic fields. And this is what we've measured over and over again in the stone circles. So we know that the stone circles heal through vibrational energy and vibrational frequencies, and the sound frequencies that they generate through in the walls. Now, to explain that very quickly, I brought my little gadget, my little flattened toroidal field, this little wonderful gadget that when you just bounce it, boom, it springs up and you've got a lovely toroidal field. Let me show that to you again, right? In case you missed it. Boom. Okay, there we go. Now we've got a lovely little torus. And what I've demonstrated many times before, this is just the shape of this generates energy. So please stay tuned, because what you're going to discover now is the importance of connecting the dots, understanding how energy works, how it flows, and it all flows through toroidal fields. Even the electricity that runs through our wires actually travels through a long connected network of interconnected toroidal fields. But they haven't really figured that out yet, and they're not teaching that yet. They will sometime in the future, because there's still a mystery about how electricity actually flows through wires, as you may or may not know. So this toroidal field, this is a non-magnetic, non-conductive metal. So you can see when you bring this metal detector and magnetic field detector, it doesn't pick up any energy, or it doesn't pick up any metal or any magnetic fields. But when you go through it, boom, now it's picking up the toroidal magnetic field that is created by this little torus. Look, the metal, nothing, but when you go into the magnetic field, it picks it up. So this is a very important thing for people to grasp, and this is all to do with healing. Your entire body is one giant toroidal field. Every time your heart beats, you see it picks up my microphone here, the magnetic energy coming from the microphone, right? So what you also see, it picks up the magnetic field when you come from the top. Now, even when you condense and compress or collapse this toroidal field into a flat toroidal field, it actually becomes even stronger. Look how close, look how far away, it picks up the magnetic field. It's like almost a foot away, and it's already starting to pick up the magnetic field created by this collapsed toroidal energetic field. This is spectacular. So what does that tell us? I hope you get the importance of this discovery, because this is not what they teach us at school. The universities, I don't know who is researching this other than the people that I've been in contact with and myself here at Stone Circle Museum, because of the discovery of the Taurus stones and obviously the energy and the healing effects of the stone circles. So when we say that you go into the stone circles to heal, the fact that a collapsed toroidal field like this, a circular structure like this, creates such a powerful magnetic field, which is an energetic field, that tells us that the moment you build a circle out of stone and you connect the stones to each other, a circle anyway, it starts to generate energy, because it starts to pick up the frequencies from Mother Earth that come out of the ground. It amplifies those frequencies into the walls, and if the walls are a certain height and a certain width, it then amplifies those sound frequencies, because sound doesn't stand still. It's difficult to trap sound, and if the sound starts to move around in a circle, and that creates some magnetic fields, and this creates this toroidal healing field around your body. So whether you're aware of it or not, the moment you enter a stone circle, you start to vibrate. Your trillions of cells in your body start to vibrate with the energies that are generated by the stone walls of the stone circle. And this is why we've had hundreds and hundreds of testimonials since 2008, hundreds and hundreds of testimonials of people being healed in the stone circles. And not only that, at least, like I said, three events where people fell pregnant, couples fell pregnant after being exposed to the fertility frequencies, or the frequencies that are obviously very good for the fertility aspects of our bodies, where they struggled for years trying to get pregnant and not being able to have a baby. One visit to the stone circle, fertility stone circle, and they fell pregnant. So part of the healing that we're going to do at the Women's Wellness Retreat between the 29th of January and 1st of February 2026 is going to be the healing and wellness in the stone circles. And also for those who want to improve their fertility, or anybody that wants to fall pregnant, has been struggling to fall pregnant, join us specifically for that part of this Women's Wellness Retreat. I hope it all makes sense to you. I really look forward to seeing you all here with our three wonderful women healers that are going to be sharing their wonderful knowledge with those that join us, and it's going to be a fantastic weekend. I look forward to seeing you here. Until next time, Michael Tellinger. Bye for now.